What if I told you the secret to keeping wooden furniture pristine for generations isn't locked in a fancy store-bought polish, but in centuries-old wisdom? The Amish have mastered the art of preserving wood in a way that modern furniture simply can't compete with. And today, you're about to learn their secrets. Stay with me until the end. You won't want to miss the hidden tip that makes all the difference. While modern furniture cracks, chips, and fades, Amish wooden pieces stand the test of time. Why? Because they don't just treat furniture as objects, they treat them as heirlooms. And you can do the same with just a few key techniques. Let's dive in. The journey to lasting furniture starts with the right wood. Amish craftsmen choose solid hardwoods, oak, maple, walnut, because they age like fine wine. Unlike cheap plywood or veneers, real wood develops character over time, making it more valuable with age. Imagine a grand dining table, passed down through generations, gaining richness in color and patina. That's the magic of solid wood. If you're shopping for furniture, check for solid hardwood. Look for grain patterns that run continuously rather than thin veneers pasted onto particle board. Amish craftsmanship relies on precision joinery, dovetails, mortise, and tenon. No weak points, no shortcuts. The result? Rock-solid furniture that holds together for lifetimes. Many mass-produced furniture pieces rely on glue, nails, and screws that degrade over time. The Amish, however, use techniques honed over centuries to create seamless, interlocking joints that actually get stronger with use. Examine your furniture for weak joints. If you find wobbly legs or gaps, reinforce them with wood glue or small dowels instead of nails. Forget synthetic coatings. Amish artisans use natural finishes like linseed oil, tung oil, and beeswax. These don't just protect the wood, they let it breathe and age gracefully. Modern polyurethane finishes may look sleek, but they create an artificial barrier that can crack and peel. Natural oils penetrate deep into the wood, enhancing its resilience and depth. Try this at home. Apply a thin layer of natural oil every few months. Let it soak in for 30 minutes, then wipe off the excess. This will nourish your wood and keep it glowing. Here's where the real magic happens. Amish families have daily rituals for their furniture: gentle dusting, wiping spills immediately, and using soft cloths. No harsh chemicals, no water pooling. Dust buildup can be abrasive, scratching the surface of your wood over time. A light dusting every day prevents this. Mix a little vinegar and olive oil for a natural, wood-loving cleaner. Apply sparingly with a soft cloth, then buff dry. Wood reacts to seasons. It expands in summer and contracts in winter. That's why Amish families keep their furniture away from heat sources and direct sunlight. Dry air in winter can cause cracking, while excessive humidity in summer can lead to warping. Keep humidity balanced in your home. Aim for 40 to 50%. Use a humidifier in winter and a dehumidifier in summer to stabilize conditions. In Amish culture, nothing goes to waste. A simple walnut can buff out scratches. Beeswax can fill minor dents. And if a leg wobbles, they fix it, not replace it. Furniture today is often seen as disposable, but small fixes can extend its lifespan dramatically. Rub a walnut over minor scratches to blend them in. For deeper dings, melt a little beeswax, fill the dent, and buff smooth. The Amish believe furniture holds stories. They don't just clean it, they cherish it. If you want your furniture to last, treat it with respect. Regular care, natural treatments, and a little love, that's the real secret. Consider how many memories are made around a dining table or in a rocking chair. Treating furniture as part of your family's history changes how you care for it. Set a routine. Every season, give your furniture a light oiling, check for any repairs, and reflect on the memories it has helped create. So what's stopping you from preserving your furniture for generations? The best time to start is now. Like this video if you found these tips valuable, and subscribe for more timeless wisdom. Now go give your furniture the care it deserves.